morning. Candace Carter, thoughts to go on my third playlist to tell you about the story of We Save the World. Since I wrote it in German, I'm just going to tell you the story in English, do my best. This time I wrote notes. It's not one of my favorite things to do, to simultaneously go into another language. I'm not too great at that. Besides, I've been off the air for over a year, and I'm just kind of getting back into, and so practice makes perfect. I'll see if I can do this on one time. If not, I'll just do it again until I'm happy with it. Okay, I would suggest you check the playlist and read the first two excerpts from the book. This is the third excerpt of Wir retten die Welt, We Save the World. This time we are going to be talking about the OKs and the chosen ones, and how the WB, the World Bank, bred new designer humans. Okay, the OKs are brainwashed to believe that they are the upper class, and while in reality, they're just a manipulated version of the UKs, and they're also controlled with the three pillars of the WB, which are high tech, drugs, and sex. The same as with the UK children, the OKs children are kept in nurseries and care facilities until the age of 5. At this time, they undergo a lot of tests, a lot of gameplay, so it can be decided where to put them when they're a little bit older. There are different places that they can work, they can be a part of, and this has to be decided, and this decision is made around the age of 5. There are different places they could later work. For example, the business class, which globally coordinates all the activities of the WB, their dealings, their setups, their plans. This is what the business class does. The science section is involved in the study of gene manipulation, and gene manipulation, and the development of AIs, of artificial intelligence, and they work on combining the two for new breeds of new life forms. And then, of course, every dictatorship has secret police, and they are the eyes and the ears of the WB. And the WB grants them sheer, unlimited power to spy and control on everything and everybody, including themselves. Then the artists doesn't matter whether they're singers or writers or painters or actors. Very early, they are brainwashed in all the subtle ways to control people, and their talents are put on a kind of a entertainment that's very low quality, that is supposed to just keep the people down, keep them lulled. That's what the artists are supposed to do. And the WB also has a group that no one really knows a lot about. They're called the chosen ones. The WB gives all sorts of rumors. They fabricate rumors about this group of people and spread them, and according to the rumors, they live a life in luxury, have no limitations, total freedom. But the greatest rumor the WB spreads is that the chosen ones are in direct contact with the leaders of the WB. Remember, we spoke about the fact that the UKs were promised at the end of their lives to spend the last year as chosen ones. Well, the OKs are promised to receive this status for extraordinary work achievements. Okay, let's talk a little about the breeding procedures in both castes. Fertile women, whether UKs or OKs, are mounted and impregnated by chosen men subjects. The pregnancy is then heavily guarded, and any signs of abnormalities by the fetus result in an immediate abortion. The birth method is cesarean. The newborns are immediately taken away from the mothers, and the mothers must immediately go back to work on the work line. They use a hollow needle to extract liquid from the eye of each baby. This liquid gives them information concerning intelligence and the state of the major organs of the infant. Thus, bred, assessed, and cataloged, the suitable babies, referred to as primary babies, are put in the nurseries of the OKs or the UKs. Gene manipulation, I tell you, sometimes switching languages, in German it would be Genmanipulation. Gene manipulation made great progress under the rule of the WB and played a major role in their master plan of domination. In the last quarter of the 21st century, they developed designer babies, and that was a big, big breakthrough. They took particularly popular sex characteristics and mixed, matched, and successfully bred them in to the babies, to the infants, to the fetus ahead of time. The male version grew up to be a dark-skinned, muscular type with almond-shaped eyes, a delicate nose, full mouth, and, of course, large genitals. By the women, there were two popular versions. A dark-skinned, big-breasted blonde with blue eyes, and a small, flat-chested, boyish version with Asian features. With the help of hormones, the creations could, by the age of 10, be used as sex playmates or servants for the OK caste. In order to keep some variety in the breeds, occasionally genes from the UKs were mixed in. These products had more variety since the emphasis was placed on strength, endurance, and compliancy as opposed to looks. So I will continue reading this and hope you enjoy it. Check my playlist, check the other playlists, and that's it for today. I wish you well.